Today's lesson is interpreting remainders. Sometimes in real life problems, a person might require to make a decision about the remainder. So you might use a remainder in whole number forms, or you might round up, or you might round down, depends on the numbers that you have. You can also use the remainder in fractions, or you could use them in decimal forms. So if you didn't understand what I'm trying to say, I'm going to be giving you an example and you'll understand exactly what I just said. The example that I'm going to use is actually the example that's in the textbook on page 324, which is 111 divided by 6. How many times can 6 go into 1? That's not going to happen. How many times can 6 go into 11? It could go into it 1 times. What is 1 times 6 equals to 6? 11 minus 6 equals 5. How many times can 6 go into 5? It's not going to happen. We drop down the 1. How many times can 6 go into 51? It could go into it 8 times. What is 8 times 6 equals 48. 51 minus 48 equals 3. So the answer of 111 divided by 6 is 18, remainder 3. Okay, now depending on the question that you have, you either round up, round down, turn it into a fraction, turn it into a decimal. We shall see. So let's listen to this problem-solving question. 111 students went for a ride on the Super Coaster. Each car holds 6 people. How many cars did they need? Okay, so if we divide 111 by 6, the answer is 18, remainder 3. So how many cars did they need? So if you look at the answer that Matthew gave us on page 324, his answer was 19 cars. So he rounded 18, remainder 3, into 19. Why do you think he did so? He did that because an extra car was needed for the 3 extra people, so he rounded the 18, remainder 3, up to 19. So again, if 6 people fit into 1 car and we came up that we needed 18, we had 18 people, 18 cars, and there was a remainder of 3 students. That means we must add 1 more car for the remainder of the 3 students to go onto the ride as well. So he rounded up. Okay, let's look at a different scenario or a different question. So let's look at Lauren's problem. A pizza restaurant served only 6 slices of pizza at a party. 111 slices were eaten. How many pizzas were eating? So the solution of 111 divided by 6, again, is 18, remainder 3. Lauren said that her answer is 18 and a half pizzas. So she used a fraction in this case. Why did she do so? So when you divide 111 by 6, we come up with 18, remainder 3. Each pizza comes with 6 slices. So that means we have 18 pizzas that were eaten plus half a pizza, because the remainder 3 is half of 6. 3 is half of 6, so that means there was half remaining. So that means that's why she used 18 and a half. So 3 slices and half of a pizza, so that's why she wrote 18 and a half. Let's look at the third question that we have, Desmond's problem. Sarah had 111 stickers to give to 6 friends. She wanted to give all of her friends the same number of stickers. How many stickers did each friend give? So her answer was straight up just 18. Why did Desmond leave out the remainder? So she didn't say 18.3. Or he didn't say 18, remainder 3. He didn't say 18 and a half. He didn't say 19. He just said 18. Why did he do so? He did so because there wasn't enough stickers. So instead of worrying about the extra or the remainder stickers that he gave, he just ignored them, tossed them away, kept them to himself, and he just gave out the 18. He divided the 18 stickers and did not worry about the remainder of the 3 stickers that he had, to make it fair with amongst his friends.